Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 5 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 6, Video Part 3. Question number 29. Find the decimal which is 54.05 more than the product of this and this. The product of 4.037 multiplied by 7.5. What will be it? So you can just multiply it, your notebook. So you will get 30.2775. 30.2775. More than this, when we add 54.05 to make it like decimal, we will put 20 here, and after adding we will get 84.3275. It is in the option number B. 29th answer will be option B. Question number 30. John has 7,512 rupees with him. He buys a mobile for rupees 5,000 and a video game for rupees this. How much money is left with him? So he has this money and he bought two things in these. So first find its expenditure. Total money expenditure. Total money spent by John. So that is your 5,000 plus 445.23. Since there is not any decimal part, so that's why we can put 0.00. After adding, you will get 5445. Now, he spent this money, so we have to find the remaining. To find the remaining, what we will do? 7512.00, we subtract 5445.23 from it. Okay, we will get 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 2 7, 11 minus 5 6, and 10 minus 6 4, sorry, 10 minus 4 it will be 6, 4 minus 4 0, 2, 2066.77. It is in the option B. 30 answer will be option. Come to question number 31. Sum of the three decimals is this. If two decimals are this and this, find the third one. The sum is this. So first we will find the sum of this two and subtract the result from this. So we will get the actual answer. The answer we are searching for 022.125.360. It will be your 379.382. Okay, and sum is given 785.65. Subtract the rest from here. 382. Put one zero here to make it like 10 minus 2 8, 14 minus 8 6. Now 5 minus 3 2, 15 minus 9 6, 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 3 4 406.268. 31 answer will be your D. 31 D. Okay. Come to question number 32. X is a decimal. When X is multiplied by this, the product is this. Find the decimal X. X equal to 245.688 divided by 42.36. Make the divisor as the like decimal and remove the decimal. It will be your 245,688 divide by 42360 and then divide that conventionally. How you know the division? It will be your 5.8. It is in the option number A. The 32nd answer will be option A. Come to question number 33. 45,526 kilogram corn was divided equal by among 32 people. Find the amount of each people get. For each people, it will be 45526 divide by 32. So just use the decimal division. You will get, after dividing it, you will get 1422.6875. 1422.6875. It is in the option number C. 33rd answer is option C. Question number 34. There are 45,000 bags of sugar in a godown. Each bag contains this kg of sugar. Find the total amount of sugar in the godown. So total amount, to find the total amount, there should be multiplication. ठीक है? So 45,000 multiplied by 78.5. So you will get 353250. 3532,500. 34th answer will be D. 34 D. To question number 35. A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this. We have to find 5 into A plus B minus C. So first find A plus B. 225.24 multiply by 60.25. When you add it, it will be 94582. Now multiply it with 5. When you multiply it with 5, it is your 285.49 multiply by 5, 1427.45. 1427.45. ठीक है, माइनस सी, तो माइनस सी इज योर 174.23. 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 2 2, 3 5 2 1 1 2 5 3 2 2. It is in the option number B. 35th answer will be option B. Come to question number 36. Price of 8 kg apple is this. Find the price of 15 kg. So first we have to find for the 1 kg. 1 kg will be 542 divided by 8. So 542 divided by 8, we will get 67.75. 67.75 rupees. Okay. Now for 15 kg, it will be your multiply by 15. When you multiply it with 15, you will get 1016.25. 1016.25 rupees. It is in the option number B. 36th answer will be option B. Come to question number 37. Find the decimal which is this more than the 5 times of this. So 5 times of this will be 45.7 multiply by 5. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3, 5 fives are 25 plus 3 28, carry 2, 5 fours are 20 plus 2 22. Now decimal will be put here because there is only one decimal. And this is more than this, so 78.25 will be added in it. Okay, so it will be your 16,306.75. It is in the option number A. 37th answer is option A. Come to question number 38. Product of two decimal is this. One of the decimal is this. Find the other decimal. So other decimal equal to 34006.672 divide by 45.2. Okay, just make it the like decimal and remove the decimal, and you can divide it conventionally. So after dividing it, you will get 752.36. 752.36. It is in the option number B. 38th answer is option B. Question number 39. A equal to this, B equal to this, C equal to this, D equal to this. Find the value of A plus B plus C plus D. So first find the value of A. If you add 54.236 with 85.320, it will be your 6,559,13. Okay. Now B is your 58.36 minus 42.05. So 136.1, 16.31. Now C will be your 78630, and D will be your it is dividing by 1000, it should be 0.07854. Okay. Now find the sum of these numbers. So to find the sum, it will be your 78630. First I will write the C, then plus 139.556, and then plus 16.31 plus 0.07854. You will get 78785.944. Okay. 39 answer will be actually this will be 7863. I wrote extra 0 here. It should be 78.63 multiplied by 100. So it should be 7863. Yes. Now when you add all these numbers, so you will get 8018.744454. 39th answer will be option A. Come to question number 40. Cody buys 3 mathematics, 2 English, 2 biology, 1 chemistry and 5 physics. How much money Cody has to pay? So 3 mathematics multiply by 3, 2 English multiply by 2, 2 biology multiply by 2, 1 chemistry multiply by 5 for physics. So when we multiply 540.25 with 3, we will get 1620.75. Okay. When we multiply 375.50 with 2, we will get 1 minute. I'm multiplying again. 375.5 multiplied by 2, 751. 751. Okay. Now 378.60. Okay. So you will get multiply by 5 it is. So you will get 378.60 multiplied by 5. It is 1893. 1893. It is multiplying with same. It will be same. 475.65. Okay. And it will be your 24, or here it is 800. Okay. Once you add all of this, 1620.7 plus 751 plus 1893 plus 475.65 plus 800.24, you will get 5540.59. It is in the option number C. 64. ठीक है, तो it is in the option number C. 14th answer will be option C. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.